design enthusiasts and forward-thinking homeowners, to Homes Inspiration Studios, your premier destination for exploring residential solutions. Today, we're diving into an area of contemporary architecture, modular duplex house designs. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. These ingenious structures are revolutionizing the way we think about multifamily living, offering unparalleled speed, cost efficiency, and design flexibility. The traditional duplex has long been a staple for multi-generational families, rental income, or shared living. But by integrating modular construction techniques, the concept of a duplex is elevated to new heights of precision and sustainability. What exactly defines a modular duplex house design? What are the compelling benefits of choosing this modern building method over conventional construction? How do you meticulously design your modular duplex to ensure it not only functions perfectly for two distinct living spaces, but also boasts a striking and cohesive aesthetic? And what are the best exterior elements that will truly make your modular duplex facade stand out, reflecting its smart design and enhancing its curb appeal? We'll explore all these questions and more, guiding you through the principles, practicalities, and sheer ingenuity of creating a modular duplex that is both an intelligent investment and a beautiful home. Join us as we unlock the boundless potential of these smart and versatile dwellings. What is the meaning of modular duplex house designs? A modular duplex house design refers to a residential structure that is built in sections, or modules, in a factory-controlled environment and then transported to a building site for assembly, specifically designed to contain two separate living units within a single building footprint. It's a modern evolution of the classic duplex, leveraging the benefits of off-site construction. The core meaning of modular duplex house designs encompasses several key characteristics. Prefabricated construction. Unlike traditional stick-built homes, the majority of the building process occurs indoors in a factory. This allows for superior quality control, minimizes waste, and significantly reduces construction time and susceptibility to weather delays. Two independent living units. The fundamental aspect of a duplex is that it houses two distinct and self-contained residences. These units can be side by side, sharing a common wall, or stacked vertically. Each unit typically has its own entrance, kitchen, bathrooms, and living areas, offering privacy for each occupant or family. Single building footprint. Despite housing two units, a duplex occupies the space of a single building, making it an efficient use of land, especially in urban or suburban areas where land is at a premium. Adherence to building codes. Importantly, modular homes are built to the same local and state building codes as traditional site-built homes, ensuring structural integrity and safety. They are placed on permanent foundations. In essence, a modular duplex house design is a highly efficient, customizable, and often more affordable way to create a multi-unit dwelling. It combines the speed and quality control of factory production with the functionality and investment potential of a traditional duplex, offering a practical and modern solution for various housing needs. What are the benefits of choosing modular duplex house designs? Choosing a modular duplex house design offers a compelling suite of benefits that address many of the challenges associated with traditional construction and modern living needs. Firstly, a standout advantage is the significantly reduced construction time and cost efficiency. Because modules are built in a controlled factory environment, the impact of weather delays is virtually eliminated, and construction can occur concurrently with site preparation. This streamlined process means modular duplexes can be completed and ready for occupancy in a fraction of the time compared to stick-built homes, often leading to substantial savings on labor costs. The efficient use of materials in a factory setting also minimizes waste, which can translate to lower overall project expenses. Secondly, modular duplexes boast superior quality control and durability. Factory environments allow for stringent quality checks at every stage of construction. Materials are protected from the elements, reducing the risk of damage, mold, or warping. Furthermore, modules are built to withstand the stresses of transportation, meaning they are often constructed with extra reinforcement, making them incredibly robust and resilient to various weather conditions and natural disasters. This results in a higher quality, more consistent product than traditional construction. Finally, these homes are often more energy efficient and environmentally friendly. The precision engineering in a factory setting leads to tighter construction, better insulation, and fewer air leaks than many traditional homes. This translates to reduced energy consumption for heating and cooling, resulting in lower utility bills and a smaller carbon footprint. The minimized on-site waste and optimized material usage during manufacturing also contribute significantly to environmental sustainability. These combined benefits make choosing a modular duplex house design an incredibly attractive and intelligent decision for a diverse range of individuals and families seeking efficient, high-quality, and versatile housing solutions. How do I design my modular duplex house to look good? Designing a modular duplex house to look good involves a thoughtful approach that leverages the inherent strengths of modular construction while ensuring aesthetic appeal, functionality, and a sense of cohesion between the two units. The key is to overcome any boxy stereotypes and create a harmonious, stylish structure. The first crucial step is to create visual separation and distinction while maintaining unity. Since a duplex contains two units, you'll want to differentiate them subtly on the exterior without making the building look disjointed. This can be achieved through varying facade materials or colors on each unit, but ensuring the overall palette and architectural style remain consistent. For instance, one side might feature vertical wood siding, while the other uses horizontal fiber cement panels, both in complementary muted tones. A strong, unifying element like a continuous roofline, a shared entry canopy, or a repeated architectural detail across both halves will tie the design together. Next, integrate thoughtful architectural details and varied massing. Avoid the perception of a simple, monolithic block. Break up the facade with strategic projections and recesses, creating depth and shadow play. Consider features like slightly protruding bays, recessed entries, or varying roof heights if local zoning allows. Adding elements like pergolas over windows, integrated planters, or a distinctive shared front porch can introduce human scale and visual interest. Even subtle changes in window size or placement between units can add character without losing cohesion. Finally, integrate intentional landscaping and outdoor living spaces. Landscaping plays a massive role in softening the architectural forms and connecting the building to its site. Consider using a mix of hardscaping, pavers, gravel, concrete, and softscaping, plants, trees, shrubs. Design private outdoor areas for each unit, whether a small patio, a deck, or a balcony, that offer a sense of personal retreat. Here are 10 inspiring modular duplex house design ideas that showcase the versatility, efficiency, and aesthetic potential of this modern housing solution. One, modern symmetrical twin. Two identical modules mirror each other, creating a perfectly balanced facade. Often features a clean, minimalist aesthetic with large windows, a flat or low-pitched roof, and a single, unifying exterior material like white stucco or dark fiber cement panels, with distinct entry doors. 2. Stacked Urban Smart. A two-story design where one module sits directly atop another. Each unit occupies a full floor, with ground floor unit having direct outdoor access and the upper unit featuring a private balcony. Utilizes contrasting materials between the levels, e.g. brick base, wood upper. 3. Offset volume contemporary. Two or more modules are slightly offset from each other, creating interesting architectural projections and recesses. This breaks up the massing and adds dynamism, often with a mix of two complementary facade materials. 4. L-shaped courtyard duplex. Modules are arranged in an L shape around a central, shared, or privately divided courtyard. This maximizes natural light into interior spaces and creates a sense of openness, ideal for integrating outdoor living. 5. Cantilevered modern. One or more modules are cantilevered, overhanging, over a lower section, creating sheltered outdoor spaces or dramatic architectural statements. This is particularly effective with contrasting materials for the cantilevered section. 6. Farmhouse-inspired modular. Blends the efficiency of modular construction with the timeless appeal of farmhouse aesthetics. Features clean lines, gable roofs, often with exposed trusses, white board and batten siding, and dark trim, offering a charming yet modern look. 7. Multi-textural facade. Utilizes 3 or more distinct exterior materials on the facade to create rich visual depth. For example, a base of stone, a midsection of horizontal wood siding, and an upper section of sleek metal panels, all in a harmonious color palette. 8. Rooftop deck duplex. For 2-story designs, the upper unit gains access to a private rooftop deck, often with panoramic views. This maximizes usable outdoor space on a compact lot, making urban living feel more expansive. 9. Integrated garage duplex. Seamlessly incorporates a shared or individual garage within the duplex modular structure. Design focuses on clean garage door lines that blend with the facade, ensuring functionality without detracting from aesthetics. 10. Sustainable and eco-conscious. Prioritizes green building elements, featuring solar panels, rainwater harvesting systems, and sustainable exterior materials like reclaimed wood or low VOC fiber cement siding. Design focuses on passive solar gain and natural ventilation. These ideas highlight the immense potential of modular duplex house designs, proving they can be both highly practical and incredibly stylish, offering diverse solutions for modern living needs. And there you have it, a comprehensive journey into the dynamic world of modular duplex house designs. We've uncovered its cutting-edge meaning, explored the profound benefits of embracing this efficient building method, and armed you with the essential knowledge to design and select the best exterior elements, ensuring your duplex not only functions perfectly but also looks strikingly beautiful. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best modern modular duplex house design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.